This is the learning objectives from Module 6 by Dr. Bev Knox, titled Biological and Evolutionary Theories. We will review Eysenck's biologically based factor theory and Buss's evolutionary theory of personality. We will begin by explaining the biological perspective on personality. This perspective posits that we are genetically predisposed to certain personality traits, from cleanliness to extroversion. This counters the idea that our environment and life experiences form our personalities. Similarly, evolutionary theory suggests that our personality comes from an environment that favors certain traits over time. Some of the earliest and most famous examples of the biological perspective are ideas from Charles Darwin. Darwin was the father of evolutionary psychology. His theories of evolution suggested that species evolve. Members of said species with stronger traits were more likely to reproduce and pass those traits on to their offspring. Eysenck believed that biological factors, including cortical arousal and hormone levels, along with environmental factors, such as behavior learned through conditioning, influence a person's score on these personality dimensions. The ACT frequency approach, AFA, to personality traits was first introduced by David Buss and Kenneth Craik in 1980. In contrast to what other theorists previously proposed, Buss and Craik argued that personality traits should not be viewed as internal structures that cause behavior.